Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this absolutely super 68 registered Ford Fiesta Zetec. Now this is the 1.13 cylinder engine, and so you can get the 1 litre, the 1.1 and the 1.5, this is being the 1.1. So mid-range, fantastic on fuel, gives us a combined average of around about 48 miles to the gallon. When thinking about fuel efficiency and the cost of living, this is the exact car that we need to be buying, more so because it's such a great looking car, loads of space inside, Ford being arguably one of the best manufacturers, and this car being the Ford Fiesta is the longest and most established super mini in the market. So they've been making the Fiesta now since the early 70s, and today it is a lovely car. So this one's finished in magnetic grey metallic, and that is a £650 approximately optional extra when this car was new. Magnetic grey metallic is a lovely colour, very easy to maintain, keep on top of and keep clean, and very good residual values on metallic finished Fiestas. Now the car's sitting on the lovely multi-spoke alloy wheels, and they're shod on really great 15-inch tyres. Looking down and around the car, you can tell that the previous keeper has really well maintained it and cherished it. In fact, we do know the previous keeper of this car is it's the wife of one of our employees here at Alpha Motors. So he's just part exchanged it for a larger car with us. All the wheels are in exceptional condition. As you can imagine, being a valeter, it was always in this condition as he used it. Both sides are free from parking, knocks, dents. We've got the privacy glass in the back, so that makes it nice and cool in the back for the children. Now today it's about 25-26 degrees in Wigan. I have been checking the car in and doing the advert and the photos. The air conditioning is refrigeration ice cold, so you'll be pleased to know it is lovely. Colour-coded door handles, the driver's side mirrors the passenger, and again is free from dent, mark, realistically. Looking down it, all around it, there is nothing that would detract from ownership or purchase of this vehicle. Front fog lamps as well. So opening the driver's door, we are welcomed by a lovely Zetec cloth interior. I shall just turn the radio off, but the Zetec cloth interior is in a lovely checkered flag style effect with grey piping and grey silver contrast stitch. That stitch follows through onto the steering wheel and has a lovely feel in the hand. Real quality, real sense of occasion. We get front electric doors, windows and door mirrors, remote central locking on the key, and also you can open it there. This one has the automatic headlamps and then a multifunction steering wheel with a speed limiter on there and radio controls on here. Now this car's done 27,033 miles exactly. Just turn that cold air conditioning down. We've got the heated front windscreen as well, so the climate pack for winter, that will defrost your front window. Air conditioning, max, yeah, lovely car throughout. Traction control, eco modes and automatic stop start. Various number of USB charging points in these, so thinking about that. They also have Apple CarPlay, and the screen at the bottom then is just there. So we've got DAB radio. Nice easy large screen that as you're driving along, you can just touch it if you've got a phone or a call coming through. It's a very easy screen to maintain and keep hold of. Car, dash, internal effects are all in the high gloss black finish. Passenger seat again is in exceptional order, if not as new. Turn that radio off again. Leather trim round the gear knob also, which is then a 5-speed gearbox. No warning lights up on the dashboard. Revs really nice, really smooth, but as I say, fantastic looking car. Multifunction as well, so you can, as you see, you can adjust the screen all the way through as we require. Now I don't smoke, and I can tell the last keeper didn't smoke either, which is always good to know, isn't it? The car smells as new and is really fresh. And as we climb out of the car, we're going to have a look in the rear. Press the remote locking button. Colour-coded door handles are nice and smooth in the hand, and then as you can see in the rear of the vehicle, even though we've prepared it to the highest standard, so all the seats have been shampooed and deodorised, the vehicle was a fantastic vehicle to start with. It was very, very well maintained and cared for. Isofix chairs, if you do have younger children with an Isofix based seat, and if so, you'll be interested in the boot. So the boots are super space. You know, you'd think that was a Ford Focus boot, that actually. I've just done a Ford Focus video beforehand, and looking at it, it's very, very similar. So acres of space in there. You've got storage underneath there where the tyre inflation kit is and compressor, so you can use that as well. But all in all, a super car. Now have a look on the website. I've taken pictures of the service documentation. It will be serviced before it leaves Alpha Motors here in Wigan for you. It'll be prepared to the highest of standards. In fact, this is as good as you will find on the market today, no doubt. Metallic paint finish, privacy glass, 1.1, book pack. Yeah, everything you'd need is there. So we'll detail it to the highest of standards for you. If you want to reserve it and only come once to Wigan to collect it, we'll take a £250 deposit. If when you arrive at our showroom it's not for you or I've missed something, then we will refund your £250 deposit. If you've got a part exchange, give us a call. We'll give you a price over the phone. One price take away the other, and that's the balance to change. You can do that on a banking app when you arrive with us here in Wigan. If you've got finance, give us a call. I'll give you a quote over the phone. If you've got a part exchange, give us a call. We'll also give you that price. And at which point, when your part exchange arrives with us, if it's as described, that's what we'll give. If it's not, then we'll adjust the price, and that will be the balance to change. So it's very simple, very easy, make it fun. So have a look on Facebook, have a look on Auto Trader. We're a 5-star dealer. We've been doing this now for more than 40 years. So if you need any more info, I've got Lee, we've got Dom, and there's myself, Graham. We'll be happy to help you in any way we can. But as for now, thanks for watching our video, and I look forward to your inquiry.